Why should you replace your roof?
Replacing your roof is a necessary step in maintaining the integrity of your home. Without a properly functioning roof, you risk leaks, water damage, and structural damage. Hailstorms in particular can cause damage to your roof that may not be immediately noticeable. If left unchecked, roof damage from hail can lead to leaks and further damage that will be even more costly to repair. This is why it is important to get your roof inspected by a certified roofing contractor after a hailstorm or any severe weather event. Additionally, age is another factor to consider when it comes to roof replacement. Over time, roof materials wear down and become less effective. By replacing your roof before any major issues arise, you can avoid costly repairs and further damage to your home.
What is the best time of year to replace your roof?
The optimal time of year to replace a roof typically depends on climate and temperatures. However, when choosing a time, it is essential also to consider the peak roofing season in your region, which may result in a more extended wait and cost for repair. Replacing a roof in the summer may be perfect for your location, but spring, fall, and winter may be a better option for your specific region.
Why should you choose StormGuard to replace your roof?
As a homeowner, roof replacement is an investment that requires planning and choosing a reputable contractor. StormGuard Roofing and Construction offers professional services to assist you in every step of the roof replacement process. Our team of experts will inspect your roof, assess the damage, and give you a free detailed estimate. Whether you want to replace your roof or repair it, we offer high-quality roofing solutions with high-end materials.